In today's video, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to delete a list in SharePoint Online. Navigating SharePoint can sometimes feel a little overwhelming, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through each step and make this process as clear and straightforward as possible. To begin, you'll need to go to your SharePoint site. This is where everything starts. If you're unfamiliar with how to access this, you might want to check your organization's main portal, or potentially consult your IT department if you're new to SharePoint. Once you're on your SharePoint site, the next move is to find your way to the Site Contents section. This can typically be found on the left-hand navigation panel, but it may also appear under a More Options tab, depending on your customized view. If you're already familiar with the list you want to delete, you can head there directly, bypassing this initial browsing. Now, after navigating to the relevant list, it's time to access the settings. Look for the Settings gear icon. It'll be located at the top right corner of your page. Click on the gear, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose List Settings. This step takes you directly to the page where you can manage and configure various aspects of your list. On the List Settings page, you'll see a variety of options and configurations, but you're specifically looking for the Delete This List option. Scroll down. It's typically under the Permissions and Management section. This layout might vary slightly depending on any site-specific customizations, but it's generally consistent across different SharePoint Online sites using the modern experience. When you find the Delete This List link, go ahead and click on it. A confirmation prompt will appear to ensure that you're certain about this action. Think of this as SharePoint's way of double-checking, just to prevent accidental deletions. After you've confirmed the deletion, the list isn't gone forever. It's actually moved to the site's recycle bin. This is a handy feature, because if you change your mind, you can restore the list from the recycle bin, as long as it's within the retention limits. Retention time varies depending on your organization's settings, but it typically allows a safety net period for any potential restoration needs. It's important to note that we're discussing the modern experience of SharePoint Online here. This interface style is the default in most SharePoint Online sites these days, which offers a cleaner, more intuitive user experience. Any steps I've shared today are based on that setup. And there you have it, the simplest way to delete a list in SharePoint Online via the web interface. Remember, being careful and deliberate with deletions is key, but rest assured, SharePoint's design has built-in safeguards to help manage your content effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made the process clear and confident for you.